Card Cash Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you have unused gift cards, Card Cash promises to turn them into cash, but most people get this wrong by expecting full face value. The surprising truth is that Card Cash pays a percentage of the gift card's value depending on the brand and demand. Typically, rates range from 70% to 92% of the card's face value. Popular retailers like Amazon or Walmart tend to fetch slightly lower rates due to high volume, while niche stores may pay more. Payments are usually delivered via PayPal or check once the card is verified. What you get: quick cash for unwanted gift cards, transparent rates, and secure transactions. What you give up: you want to receive full face value, and processing times may vary from a few hours to a couple of days. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Compare rates across multiple gift card resale sites. Step 2. Only sell cards from reputable brands for best rates. Step 3. Ensure the card balance is verified before selling. Step 4. Use promo codes or sign-up bonuses if available to boost payout. You won't believe what happens next if you assume all gift card buyers pay the same. Some platforms offer much less, which can cost you money. The surprising truth is that Card Cash balances convenience with fair payout. In conclusion, Card Cash is a safe, convenient way to convert gift cards into cash. By understanding pricing, comparing rates, and verifying balances, you get the most value for your unwanted cards.